Who knows the way we let it stay? Lead your love away. I never stray.
First thing first, I want to ask this on tape because somebody in the future generation is going to ask this. Why and how did you plan a wedding in a pandemic?
So like honestly, we thought that we were like these wedding planning experts. Itna easy hai. I feel the wedding part of the wedding was so smooth and easy, but the COVID elements were what like really took up a lot of time, and there are curveballs left, right, and center. Every day the government of India changes the rules. Now 100 people allowed, now 200 people allowed. It's kept us on our toes.
Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha.
Vajradunda Mahakayo Suryakote Samapraha Nirvignam Kurumedeva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada.
I hear birds singing, I see trees are dancing, and I feel the butterflies are flirting. Mornings are over my face, feels like God blessing me and asking me if I had a wish. So I asked this. I want these feelings every morning. Nature is so beautiful. Don't let it end. So beautiful.
Oh, Namke Mam Kalyarvaro Yam
I see
Hey Vanyam
holding hands
Mam
of flame.
Bhavati Go Varadhana.
I see children smiling, holding hands and playing, like life has got no ending. Morning sun over my face, feels like God's blessing me and asking me if I had a wish. So I said this. I want these feelings every morning. Nature is so beautiful. Sad, so ever greener. Don't let it down. So beautiful. think nature is so beautiful and shines so ever greener. Don't let it end. So beautiful.
He was always a good boy when he was a young baby, and then slowly now he's become much more mischievous. He's very smart. He knows how to get away with things.
आफ्टरनून में 2 बजे उसका जन्म हुआ था आफ्टरनून में, एंड इट वाज लुकिंग लाइक रियली लक्ष्मी हैज पर्सनली अराइव्ड लाइक एंड सो हैप्पी। एंड बेटी ना सबने बोला लक्ष्मी आई घर पे, रियल में लक्ष्मी घर पे आई।
The way she spoke to us, such a soft-spoken person, so sorted in so many ways, I would say. Very, very polite.
I really know now why you get married only once. जिसकी 2 बार होती है उनको तो wow, I salute your spirit.
She's a very much a people's person, but more than anything, she's also she's just very caring. So she's always there for you, and like I think her friends and the family realize.
My friends are coming. I've seen them after so long.
I love the Sangeet.
Which one is it?
I'm guessing the silver.
Sangeet is silver.
And the trap.
Mehndi is?
It's not that one. Oh, I like it. Love it. The silver one.
Oh, I love it. I love your Swiki.
Spread my wings and let go. Something stirring in my soul. I feel it again, feel it again, feel it again. This is gonna be a good day. Rolling on like the thunder with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. Spinning fast, the wheels keep turning. Every night is a new morning. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive. I was born to breathe the air and take a road that goes nowhere. I'm ready to live, ready to live, ready to live, ready to live. Like a dove I fly away. Now's the time, today's the day. Now it begins, now it begins. Now it begins, now it begins. This is gonna be a good day. Rolling on like the thunder with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. Spinning fast, the wheels keep turning. Every night is a new morning. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive. Now it begins.
निद्रा में किसने याद कियो रे, निद्रा में किसने याद कियो रे, जगाए सारी रहना रे, पिया जगावे जिया जगावे दिया जगावे रे.
Yeah, I mean, I got her profile, and so the first thing that jumped out at me that we both went to LBS,
Right.
which to me was like a big shocker because we're quite a small community of alumni. So I was like, wow, you know, that itself is something that we have in common. Why not meet? So I met her 9th of September 2019. So I knew that she was coming to Bombay. So we had this back and forth. Okay, when are you coming? Okay. I was like, why don't you come home? She was like, no, you come and meet me. So we met for coffee and everything was going so well.
I was looking for comfort. That was my criteria A, if you have to call it.
So we said, okay, let's continue for dinner. So we just left the coffee shop and went to the restaurant and we continued dinner. So the meeting that was going to be like a 3-hour meeting became 6-something plus hours.
Avere hichki, avere hichki, avere hichki, hich, avere hichki, avere hichki, avere hichki. Oh, संदेश आयो ना चिट्ठिया भी जाई, सावन में सूखे नैना रे.
क्या बोलूँ, आज तो कुछ बोलने को भी मेरे पास नहीं है। So, मम्मी का मन था कि मैं जब चुनरी मेरे को मम्मी उड़ाए और मेरा भाई मेरे को उड़ाए, तो स्मृति जी को भी मेरे साथ में चुनरी उड़ाई। तो उसको एक दिन पूजा के समय में ख्याल आया कि मैं स्मृति के लिए भी चुनरी बनवाती हूँ। तो वो इमीडिएट फोन की कि क्या मैं तो आज हम स्मृति जी को भी मेरे साथ में, हमारी 5 बहनें हैं, तो आज स्मृति जी छठी बहनी बन गई है मेरी।
जनिया मन तर से घन भर से, मन तर से घन भर से रे, मन तर से घन भर से, बर से मन घन भर से रे, ओ मन तर से घन भर से, बजरी सुने नारे तलैया सूखी भीतर सूखा, भीतर सूखा आवे रे हिचकी, आवे रे हिचकी, आवे रे हिचकी, हिचकी आवे रे, हिचकी आवे रे, हिचकी आवे रे, आवे रे, आवे रे, आवे रे हिचकी आवे रे।
लुक छुप ना जाओ जी, मन प्रीत कराओ जी, क्यों तरसावे हो, मन सकल दिखाओ जी, हरी शरारत सब जानू मैं तो धरी, हर चले उन्हें बंगाली में कह लगे, मर कीमड़े में जागी धोकड़ी, ठंडा में थारी चांदनी, मन दामन में बापी खुशी रे, झुम 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 झुम, ओ मर कीमड़े में जागी धोकड़ी, ठंडा में थारी चांदनी, मन दामन में बाधी खुशी रे, झुम 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 झुम।
What a performance! That was simply fantastic. हम लोग असम से हैं, तो आज की थीम भी असमीज है, तो हमारी 2 छोटी छोटी लड़कियां हैं, वो बिहू करना चाहते हैं।
First impression, no, I definitely feel like, oh, so much more than I expected. I felt like, wow, this was something that I really didn't expect to find in a person. All these characteristics, like I said, she was so confident. We had so many different things to talk about. I mean, we just clicked really well.
Because, like I said, it was so comfortable being with him. It didn't feel like I've known him just a day Which is why when he didn't text me the second day,
Apparently, I waited 3 days to message her.
when he promised that he'll meet me again, I was like,
Not something she has not forgiven me for yet.
I got this feeling inside my bones. It goes electric wavy when I turn it on. Off from my city, off from my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop. And under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. Ooh, it's something magical. It's in the air, it's in my blood, it's rushing on. I don't need no reason, don't need control. I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone. Cause I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, I can't take my eyes off of it, moving so phenomenally. You're more like the way we rock it, so don't stop, stop, stop. Under the lights when everything goes, nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. Nothing I can see but you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. I can't stop the feeling. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. So just dance, dance, dance. Good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. Ain't nobody leaving soon, so keep dancing. Everybody say.
Coming and spending these 3 days with us, on behalf of all of us. I can't thank enough. Despite the pandemic, you all have fought your fears. Many of you, I'm sure, are traveling for the first time outside of their city. But your love for us, your respect for us, you all are here. And thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Since 3 years almost now that Priyanka has got married, our laughter and smiling quotient has gone away from our house. So we now look forward to dear Adrija. She's always smiling and laughing, and we are looking forward to welcoming you at home and bring back that laughter quotient back at home. Thank you very much.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for coming to what it is one of the most momentous events of our lives. Today marks the start the wedding celebration of our dear daughter Adrija. As we are so happy that she has found someone as delightful as Mihir. Today, I want to speak to you about what it means to have a daughter. From the day Adrija was born to even more so now, she has been the most precious part of our lives. It feels just like yesterday that I was holding her for the very first time, and I thought to myself that I would never ever let anything happen to her. And now it is already time for her wedding. And all I want to say her is that I am very, very proud of the woman you have become, Beta. And today I truly wish Mihir and Adrija a very happy and prosperous future filled with lots of joy. And please know that I will always love you and be there for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So friends, we'll have Bryden and Parth. Where are they? Bryden and Parth are from Bangalore, and we leave it to Bryden and Parth to rock us tonight and make this an unforgettable night. What say? Woohoo!
My first day on Earth, I fell into your eyes. Look at how our galaxies collide. Every color of the spectrum, every star up in the sky. The planets aligned for you, and I've known you since the dawn of time. With twin flames burning bright, and I can't believe that I finally found you here. 'Cause nothing is better than you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. Lay here forever, you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. My first day on earth, sang me to forever won't be long enough with you. And I'll never let you go, I'll never say goodbye. Together for eternity, oh, I've loved you since the dawn of time. With twin flames burning bright, and I can't believe that I finally found you here. 'Cause nothing is better than you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. Lay here forever, you and I together. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. I just wanna stay until the morning sun. You and I will be fine. We belong together. You and I will be fine. We belong together. You and I will be fine. We belong together. You and I will be fine. We belong together. My first day on Earth, I fell into your eyes. Look at how our galaxies collide. Just one night, all we got. 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 I ain't got time for you, baby. Either you're mine or you're not. Make up your mind, sweet baby. Right here, right now is all we got. A little party never killed nobody, so we gon' dance until we drop. A little party never killed nobody. Right here, right now is all we get.
ਲੱਠੇ ਦੀ ਚਾਦਰ ਉੱਤੇ ਸਲੇਟੀ ਰੰਗ ਮਾਇਆ ਆਓ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਦੀ ਰੁੱਸ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਲੰਗ ਮਾਇਆ
And then with Adrija, it was so crazy that we've both been to the same college. We both had so many things in common. Only after we met each other, we realized how much we share in common in terms of friends, in terms of past experiences. So everything just clicked perfectly.
आओ सामने कोलों दी रुस के ना लंग माया आसमानी उड़दियां हिलवे ओ तेरा केड़ी कुड़ी उत्ते दिल वे आसमानी उड़दियां हिलवे ओ तेरा केड़ी कुड़ी उत्ते दिल वे लट्ठे दी चादर उत्ते सलेटी रंग माया आओ सामने कोलों दी रुस के ना लंग माया.
Because in the first meeting, what else you talk about?
We went to the same school, same course, but 4 years apart.
Because he went to LBS, I went to LBS, so we could have a lot of conversation about it.
So we've discussed it so many times that, if only we were in the same class, this whole story would have been so different.
He's a little cheesy.
ओ चन्ना एवे ना साडे वाल तकवे ओ चन्ना एवे ना साडे वाल तकवे ओ चन्ना एवे ना साडे वाल तकवे ओ तेरी मां करेंदियां शकवे लट्ठे दी चादर उत्ते सलेटी रंग माया आओ सामने कोलों दी रुस के ना लंग माया.
I'm always ready for dancing.
ओ तेरी मां ने चाड़े आए साग वे ओ तेरी मां ने चाड़े आए साग वे ओ अस्सी मंगे आते मिले आ जवाब वे लट्ठे दी चादर उत्ते सलेटी रंग माया आओ सामने कोलों दी रुस के ना लंग माया. हाँ लट्ठे दी चादर उत्ते सलेटी रंग माया आओ सामने कोलों दी रुस के ना लंग माया हाँ कोलों दी रुस के ना लंग माया कोलों दी रुस के ना लंग माया.
LBS was having an alumni reunion in Mumbai. The only issue was her friends, all her school friends were also going to be there. And we weren't ready to kind of tell everyone yet. So yeah, we just pretended to be strangers and...
Hi! Mihir, I am Adrija. Nice to meet you. First time seeing you.
Yeah, I mean, we're terrible actors. Our poker faces were so bad. But...
This is Adrija, this is Josh. Don't tell Mihir, you know him already.
Yeah, we tried to keep up the charade.
We are brave, we are free, nothing stopping you and me. We are the wild ones, we are the fearless. Now's our time to feel alive. We're chasing that golden sky. 'Cause we are young and nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing can hold us back. We can have our fun. Our fun underneath the sun. Underneath the sun.
And we from the girls' side have prepared a special dance for the Mehndi.
Take a dive into the blue, see the world, make a move, a move.
together by both families. I hope you all enjoy the afternoon. And let's continue the dancing.
Really, really thank you to everyone. Our families have gone above and beyond to make this possible, and to both the families, we are truly, truly thankful for making this so special. And to all our friends for being here. We're gonna rock it! Make up for all the parties we missed all year round.
Underneath the sun. Underneath the sun. Underneath the
When the first lockdown happened, it was very strict.
Because of Corona, because we didn't see each other for 5 weeks. And that was the longest I hadn't seen him.
And then we got very creative. We had Zoom dates where we did cooking together. But obviously it's not the same as being there in person and spending a whole day together. So then the only option was to drive.
Really, really sweet of him to drive all the way, and we spent a lot of time together.
Not just the two of us, but as a full family.
We didn't have anywhere to go, no social obligations, nothing.
So 10 days just spent together, and if you can spend that much time together and not kill each other, I think you're ready for marriage.
I see the dawn of a new beginning. This time we can't go home. I hear the streets of tomorrow calling. I go where you go. 'Cause we belong to something. We belong to something new. In the midst of the midnight hour, you said to me, we are a different kind. Oh, like we've been kissed by a higher power, saying, don't wait until it's gone. 'Cause we belong to something. We belong to something. We belong to something.
He told us that he would like to take at least 8-10 months.
I had no intention of finalizing anything for at least 6 months until I meet someone.
Meeting 5 or 6, which was not very down the line, it was like maybe a month and a half later, I'm like, yeah, this could be it.
And then with Adrija, we really click on the same wavelength. And then already like 3 months in, I was like starting to plan the proposal.
Om
Weddings are such a great vibe, nah? They're so glamorous, and the lights and the decor, and of course the 1,000 different outfits. But no wedding is truly complete without a wedding ring. We know about Mihir's romantic proposal in Portugal and how he got to.
Excuse me, लड़की वाले. ये क्या तुम wedding ring बात कर रहे हो? Look around you, bro. Wonderful people from all over the world. All sorts of people from everywhere. Beautiful place, beautiful banquet. And guess what? Tonight's the Sangeet. DJ Wale Babu, let's show them what the real wedding ring is tonight. Hi guys, I'm Rahul and I'm from the Ladke Walas.
And I'm Shivam and I'm from the Ladki Walas. And welcome to the Add You To Me Sangeet, or like we call it, Dance India Dance.
Everybody getting hot in the party. Come on, start feeling. Dance, dance, everybody.
Bangade di queen, मैं था थोड़ी सो हसीन, मैं था मेरी है गजब गलबा. फिगर है का कैंट मेरा, ठुमका एक्सीलेंट मेरा, ग्रूवी ग्रूवी हो जा मेरे साथ. Bangade di queen, मैं था थोड़ी सो हसीन, मैं था मेरी है गजब गलबा. फिगर है का कैंट मेरा, ठुमका एक्सीलेंट मेरा, ग्रूवी ग्रूवी हो जा मेरे साथ.
नचांगे सारी रात सोनियो वे, नचांगे सारी रात सोनियो वे, कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार सोनियो वे, कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार. नचांगे सारी रात सोनियो वे, नचांगे सारी रात सोनियो वे, कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार.
खिलदा ग्राउंड मैं छम छम नचदी फिरा अख मेरी टाइट जावा मैं लेफ्ट राइट ये मुंडे आप तो बचदी फिरा
मुंडा होगा वो तो लकी जिसके लिए तूने रखी अपने ये आंखों की शराब दिल मेरा ठीक हैगा इश्क च वीक हैगा कर दे तू इसको खराब
नचेंगे सारी रात सोए वे नचेंगे सारी रात सोए वे कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार सोए वे कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार
हम पिछड़े हुए भाई हैं
सारी रात सोए वे नचेंगे सारी रात सोए वे कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार सोए वे कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार
नचेंगे सारी रात सोए वे नचेंगे सारी रात सोए वे कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार सोए वे कर लो थोड़ा सा प्यार
हमरी से परनीत आ जाओ ना तो सही ऐसी मन की है सच्ची तुम हो सितारों की परे हुई गलती सॉरी हमने गाया तुम क्यों सुनी किसकी मर्जी जो थे अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा
So I had this whole plan of how and when I would propose. Then their family decided to go to Portugal for Christmas, New Year's. So I found this rooftop suite that I wanted to do the proposal at.
He told me that he dropped a dumbbell on his phone. That's why he couldn't talk to me on video chat. I'm like, that doesn't make any sense.
And it was planned, it was at the Four Seasons Hotel, and then I realized that they're staying at the Four Seasons Hotel.
He posted a story from last 31st December making me believe that he's partying in Taj.
And then we had this whole ruse of telling her that, you know, we're going to go to the rooftop to see fireworks.
I walked in, I'm like, are you serious? And I started crying. I couldn't believe it.
She was shocked. She was like definitely taken aback. She cried for the first 5 minutes because she really didn't expect it.
देखो आने जाने वाले सारे साथ खड़े हैं कभी ना कभी मैंने भी तो ऐसे वैसे ख्वाब देखे हैं कि हम तो आस पास सास थमें और रात साथ बात करें क्यों ना रह लो ना अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा अब तो आए जा हमको ले जाए जा
हो खोजे यार नु कमले दर दर जाकर सुन यार नु लब ना पाया इसक हिजर किताबी गल्ला तेरा यार तरफ में समाया हो तेरा यार तरफ में समाया तेरा यार तरब में समाया तेरा यार तरब में समाया
ओ दे नूर दी बारिश में मैं पिज पिज जावा ओदे नाम दा सबनों मैं पाठ पढ़ावा मैं ता यार नू अपना तबीब बनाया मेरी सारी हरली पीड़ खुदाया मैं ता सब कुछ ओदे नाम लगाया मेरा रब जो की बन आया
राजी पकड़ लेगा शिकापुर एकदम
मेरा रब जोगी बन आया मेरा रब जोगी बन आया मेरा रब जोगी बन आया मेरा रब जोगी बन आया
मेरा रब जोगी बन आया मेरा रब जोगी बन आया मेरा रब जोगी बन आया मेरा रब जोगी बन आया
What I really love about where we are today is big step that we want to take. We always talk to each other about it, and she's very supportive all the time.
Being with him, spending time with him, not having to make excuses to meet each other, or like just being with him, I think that's what I'm looking forward to.
पिया तो सीने ना लागे रे जाने क्या हो अब आगे रे पिया तो से पिया तो से पिया तो से नैना लागे रे रात को जब चांद चमके जल उठे तन मेरा मैं कहूँ मत करो चंदा इस गली का फेरा हाँ हाँ हो रात को जब चांद चमके जल उठे तन मेरा मैं कहूँ मत करो चंदा इस गली का फेरा आना मोरा सैया जब आए चमकना उस रात को जब मिलेंगे तन मन पिया तो से पिया तो से पिया तो से पिया तो
just one Bharat where it's like, bro, we'll have to hold him back.
A girl like Adrija beside him, I'm sure they're going to have their own little world which will be really awesome and some great memories and travels together, and we really look forward to having a lot of fun together.
Hi, this is Rahul checking in on Mihir, trying to make sure he's breathing.
लड़का है रेडी और लड़की तैयार है, बज गई है शादी वाली बेल, हुआ प्यार है, उड़ गए कबूतर, आज वेडिंग वाली रात है, दोस्त सारे नाचे अपने।
Our little boy is getting married and all.
लड़का है रेडी और लड़की तैयार है, बज गई है शादी वाली बेल, हुआ प्यार है, उड़ गए कबूतर, आज वेडिंग वाली रात है, दोस्त सारे नाचे अपने यार की बारात में।
भंगड़ा है पौना और गिद्दा लगाना, जो नचना चाहता है।
यः सुरेत पुंडरीकाक्षं सभायाभ्यन्तरः शुचि पुंडरीकाक्ष पुनः जल्दी से जल्दी पधारो जी। ढोल लगाओ।
भंगड़ा है पौना और गिद्दा लगाना, जो नचना चाहता है नचने दो, बजने दो गाना और खाने दो खाना, जो दिल चाहता है वो होने दो, शहनाइयाँ बजने 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 दो। बालिका तुम्हारे सपनों का राजकुमार आ रहा है।
हीरे सहरा बांध के मैं तो आया रे, डोली बारात भी साथ में मैं तो लाया रे, हीरे सहरा बांध के मैं तो आया रे, डोली बारात भी साथ में मैं तो लाया रे। अब तो ना होता है एक रोज इंतजार सोनी, आज नहीं तो कल है, तुझको तो बस मेरी होनी रे, तेनू लेके मैं जावांगा, दिल दे के मैं जावांगा, तेनू लेके मैं जावांगा, दिल दे के मैं जावांगा।
I promise that Mumbai and home will be where we are always together. And we're gonna keep that for the rest of our lives. Wherever we are, home will be where we are together.
I promise to be your side, to be by your side every day, every minute, every second. And in our little world, there'll be no one else.
पैरों से ज़मीं ज़मीं लगा हैरते आशिकी जगा पैरों से ज़मीं ज़मीं लगा हैरते आशिकी उस दुआ से गुफ्तगू
मेरे मौला मेरे मौला मेरे मौला मेरे मौला तेरा शुक्रिया आज इबादत रूबरू हो गई दर्द के अंधेरों से आ गए उजालों में इश्क के चरागों का नूर है ख्यालों में दर्द के अंधेरों से आ गए उजालों में चरागों का नूर है ख्यालों में नजरों से तेरी चाक दिल पे रफू हो गई दिल पे रफू हो गई मेरे मौला मेरे मौला मेरे मौला मेरे मौला तेरा शुक्रिया आज इबादत रूबरू हो गई
Now when I think about it, there are so many things so many instances that happened over the last 2 years that, I feel like maybe it was meant to be, however it happened, but it was meant to be. When I hear stories about it also, that, it was always him. He's just my type, he's just totally my type. I think we fit and we complement each other very well.
I just wanna dive into the blue. Doesn't really matter what we do. Don't let the moment pass us by. Just trust that the universe is right. Just a golden red shining light, and it's all gonna be alright. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. This is the good life. Oh, 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 oh. Out in the sunshine, nothing but good times. This is the good life. This is the good life. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. Whoa, oh, 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 oh.
मधानिया हाय वे मेरे टाटिया रब्बा किन्ना जम्मिया किन्ना ने ले जानिया हाय वे मेरे टाटिया रब्बा किन्ना जम्मिया किन्ना ने ले जानिया छोले बाबुल तेरे महला विचों सतरंगिया कबूतर बोले
It's very
खुशी और इमोशनल का मिक्सचर है ये. खुशी भी है, इमोशनल भी है. माँ बाप के लिए तो बच्ची अच्छे घर में चली जाए, अच्छे प्यार से रहे, वो सबसे बड़ी बात होती है. और इमोशन इसलिए है कि बेटी जा रही है, अचानक लगता है कि घर से एक चुलबुलापन, एक ये अब उनके पास जा रहा है. एंड आई एम श्योर मिहिर विल टेक केयर ऑफ अद्रिजा लाइक ए लविंग
doll actually. She is for me to Adrija is very it's you can say is the heartbeat of me. जाना उसके लिए हमारे घर से एक अच्छे घर पे ही है, लेकिन टफ है. It's tough but it's good.
बाबुल तेरे महला विचों तेरी लाडो परदेसण होई है. बाबुल तेरे महला विचों तेरी लाडो
So I think it's kicked in for my parents, I would honestly say, and my puppy at home. He was very sad when we were leaving. I don't know, everyone, like I've asked my friends this, like is it normal, like am I like broken or something, why hasn't it kicked in yet? But they're like, you know, wait for the fairas and like, you know, you'll just be sobbing, and I'm like, okay, glad I don't have any makeup.
मेरे अपने वीरा ने टोला टोर के आगानू कीता है. मधानिया
is imagine this video is being opened in like 15 years from now, okay?
Okay.
So, if the kids are watching this and you want to sort of rewind it for them and tell them how their dad was back in the day.
Just to give you guys context, we are living through a pandemic right now. This is 15 years down the line and your dad is going to be using this with you guys all the time. You can't do your homework. Guys, I lived through a pandemic. I had my wedding in a pandemic, so you guys can finish your homework, you guys.
Mihir, with a couple of us here, you shared some things, you know, that you shouldn't have shared during your bachelor trip. Just saying. You know, if there comes a time when these kids are of age, we will share those back.
Okay, so it's there for sure.
Oh my god, you added two.
Are you sure? There's one or two?
I don't know, how many do you think?
Two me's.
Two.
Two me's.
Son Umang and
daughter?
Urvati, not even Urvashi.
And I want you to know that if even today
Mihir is sending you Google invites for dinners and lunches and holidays and whatnot, then please use the F word. You are officially permitted by me.
I'm going to be a fun aunt because your parents are going to be like super strict. Come to me for any and everything. It's totally cool. If you want to do something fun in life, it's fine. I think Mihir is going to be strict. I think Adrija is going to be a cool mom. So don't worry about your mom. Your mom's going to be fine.
The pro tip to be with Addu is she can be on her phone 24/7. So you have to. She's a professional at typing. She can look at you and talk to you and like
shopper.
type.
She's like anywhere.
So she can shop while looking you in the eye. Like she can be on her phone and shop and like look you in the eye and be like nothing's happening out here.
You know, he is a sucker for themes. You know, even if you just want to go to bed, just make it like Arabian Nights kind of a theme. You know, I swear to God, if you add a theme,
all your wishes will come true.
All your wishes will come true.
So I would say get a lot of space for the shoes and the bag, and maybe like the kids room that you have, turn that into a storage room for the next few years, because there's going to be a lot of that stuff. And don't give her your credit card.
Be happy, take care of each other, be patient with each other. Both of you guys, like, you need to chill out.
I will tell you, God has been very kind to me. You know, we met when we were 16, we started dating, and we are dating as yet. People tell us that we are very compatible and we complement each other on our strengths and weaknesses. I wish and I hope and I pray to God that Mihir and Adrija have the same compatibility and complement each other
and grow strength to strength from here.
Yes, knowing both the children, so well brought up, so well educated, very mature, very sorted, I have no doubt.